Happy holidays from the Wild Rivers Film Festival.
As we celebrate the holidays, we also celebrate our family, our friends, and our children. Gathered around the table, we realize that this is when storytelling began. It was people sharing tales with each other. The Wild Rivers Film Festival was inspired by this, to share with our community all of the stories, the hope, and the creativity that comes from film. I'm Bev Juday. I'm the president of the Wild Rivers Film Festival, and it's my great joy to ask all of you to be part of our film family this year.
Sponsors make Wild Rivers Film Festival happen. We can't do this without you. Here's to a great 2026.
Wild Rivers Film Festival brings us together to watch, discuss, laugh, and learn. We connect with filmmakers, celebrate art, and create friendships that last. Some say show business is everybody's second business, and I believe it. I'm Kirsten Lane, Vice President of the Wild Rivers Film Festival.
As we plan for 2026, we'd love your help, and we have lots of ideas on ways that you can become involved. For one, we have a buy one, get one free sale. You can purchase tickets and get a free one. They make excellent stocking stuffers. You can also help a student in the film student program. You can volunteer or you can donate money.
After initial 2023, we launched our first Wild Rivers Film School, giving students hands-on filmmaking experience. They didn't just learn how to make movies, they told our stories. It's all part of building a creative future right here at home.
So we're going to take it from the top of the sports segment.
From script writing and pre-production to acting, camera, scenery, lighting, and sound, our students learn film production by creating film productions.
Early ticket sales help us prepare and keep prices low. Donations, always tax deductible, keep the cameras rolling. When we teach our youth the arts, film, music, painting, and storytelling, we build creativity, confidence, and community. Wild Rivers Film Festival even brings free movies to the Chetco Library all year long. We're proud of our humble Brookings roots.
We'll be right back. Welcome back.
Join us this summer and see how your generosity has made a difference in the most incredible ways.
Let's build the future together, celebrate cinema, and inspire the next generation to dream big and create boldly. Reserve a student spot, buy a ticket, be part of something that truly matters.
See you at the movies.